Guys, today I'm going to show you how to do a redirect in your from your cPanel. So you go to you search for redirect, click redirect, and then we have as you can see here, a redirect allows you to make one domain redirect to another domain, either for a website or a specific website page. For example, create a redirect so that www.example.com automatically redirects users to www.example.name. For more information, read the documentation. So they have the documentation there. And then here we have a permanent redirect will notify the visitor browser to update any bookmark that are linked to the page that's been redirected. Temporary redirects will not update the visitor's bookmarks. We have two types. We have in the redirect, we have permanent 301, and then we have the temporary, which is 302. It's temporary, and then we have permanent. And then we have, so there you're going to see the list of the domain. So let's say, for instance, if you have a lot of lists of the domain, you select one of them. So we select that one there. And then, so now we want to do a redirect. Let's say, for instance, we are doing the redirect from the same domain. So, but you want to redirect let's say, for instance, you want to redirect this main domain to let's say, for instance, to a home page. Let's say we're gonna do like that. Dummy domain that none, because we do not have any domain here. This is just a dummy domain. So yeah, so this one here. So you have this. Sorry, this is path name. You're gonna put it there. I have HTTPS, and then we put the / for instance home. So you have the main domain to redirect, for instance, to a home, or for instance to a landing page, for instance, like that. So if later, for instance, you are launching your website and you're still building it, before you launch your website, you're still building it, and then you want the main domain to redirect to a temporary page for the time being. You see, you can also do that, and also you can create like a lot of kind of redirect, and also you can redirect to an external domain as well. So and also if you want to redirect, for instance, you want to redirect a typo, for instance, it's like we have about us, and then the page was changed later, for instance, yeah, the page was changed to about. So yeah, you can also do that. So from about us like this to about, that depends on your use case. You can redirect to an external domain as well. So for instance, you want to redirect the main domain to an external domain. So it can be, for instance, like external HTTPS external domain.com. Yeah, that can also redirect. And if you are redirecting path name, this is the way that redirect, but path name about, and then / for instance, like about. So to external, so you can also do that. And then here we have the redirection that you can have to choose if you want to redirect with or without www, or only redirect with www, or do not redirect www. And then here we have the wildcard if you want to do a wildcard redirect. So as you can see, there is a note for the wildcard here. Checking the wildcard redirects box will redirect all files within a directory to the same file name in the redirected directory. So you cannot use a wildcard redirect to redirect your main domain to a different directory on your website. So, and then once you add, you're gonna see your redirect, the redirected entry here. Okay, thank you so much.